1 bag nacho cheese Doritos. 1 stick melted butter. Now we're just gonna make sure these Doritos are well covered, and we're gonna push them down into the bottom of our springform pan here. All right, I'm just gonna pop this in the oven for 10 minutes. All right, now that I've got my no bean chili into my sour cream, I am just gonna put these both together in a bowl here. I'm using about 1 pound of each. Now to this, I'm gonna add some diced bell peppers. We're gonna pop in a couple of eggs. 2 and 2 yolks. Now I'm just coming in with some Monterey Jack, Colby Jack cheese. It is the Colby and the Monterey mixed. And I'm gonna get this all combined here. We got those eggs. That's gonna make this filling all stick together beautifully. It's gonna have those delicious chili flavors. You could add something extra to this if you want, like some taco seasoning or anything else yummy, but this is gonna be such an easy and delicious meal. Alrighty, our Doritos crust is hot from the oven. Now we're just gonna come in with our filling here, that sour cream, our chili, our red and green diced bell peppers, our cheese. We're just gonna fill this baby right on up. Look how easy this all was. I'm gonna just give this a gentle spread, although it's kind of spreading on its own thanks to gravity. I'm just gonna top it with a little bit more of that Colby Jack cheese, my favorite. Ooh, we're gonna get a nice cheesy crust on top. Perfect. That looks so good. And now I'm gonna pop this back in my oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Alrighty, everybody. We've got our delicious taco chili pie here. Yummy Doritos. I'm just gonna add a little bit of olives on top. I love olives with my Mexican-inspired dishes. Put a little bit of green onion too. I'm gonna cut these as small as I can. You can put some tomatoes on top if you like that kind of thing, but I'm not a big tomato fan myself. I don't like them cold. They make me uncomfortable. Alrighty, moment of truth. Look at our beautiful taco Doritos pie. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful, so good. Okay, I'm gonna cut in. Ooh, yes. Oh, it went straight down. So easy. Good. Yes. Look at that. What an easy, delicious dinner. Your kids say they want Doritos. You want to give them something extra healthy. You add just a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of chili, and you got a complete meal. Oh my, this is so good. Y'all, you've got to try this. Wow.